Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at setting your start serial number within the variable text for the serial number feature, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the text tool, and I'll also be leaving relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, in the previous few videos, we looked at setting up your prefix and suffix, so the beginning of a serial number and the end. So that will be software training, and then we've got guitar, that's what we did, and batch A. So now we're going to be looking at actually adding a serial number to that. So it's kind of like which one of the products is it. So selecting our serial number, I'm going to double click it again with our selection tool to open the text editor. And then on the right here, under its values, we're going to be looking at the start SN for start serial number. Now there is something to keep in mind about this. If I had to make this 1, then what will happen is if we have under our extend here the enable reset, so once it gets to 1 it will automatically reset enable, then yeah, this one's got 99, but in general what will happen, it will when it gets to 9 it will kick back to 1, so it won't go 10, 11, 12, 13 and so forth. So it is important that if you want this to run a lot of products, then add a few zeros in front of that, maybe about 3. That's a common practice. So now if you had to print this, then we will get the it will start from 1 and it will go all the way to the 9,999, and then only reset back to 1. So otherwise, just something to keep in mind, don't keep this on 1 itself. There is ways of doing it so it does not print the zeros before it, so it will go just 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the way to 9,999. But if you do it the other method, it will only go to 9 and it'll go back to 1. So that is something to keep in mind. So start serial number, this is where it will be starting. So let's say your stuff got maybe interrupted halfway or so forth, then you can just start it at a different area. But yeah, that about covers the start serial number. We won't see any updates here as this is not the current one. This is just where it will be starting. But yeah, in the meanwhile, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.